All right, back we go. It is Wednesday, 2:23 East Coast, the 10th. Going over some of these moves as the market is going on right now. AKER. Let's check this out. 7 million float plus. It's on Finviz. 28 million market cap. No recent news I don't see. A development of vaccine candidate against SARS coronavirus causing the pandemic. That's what it says here on Finviz. So let's take a look. So August 2019 has made a big move to 16, dropped. It did have a reverse split. Then it fell off from 6, gap down, like 265. Then it just went below 2 in April, March, with the drop. Then this thing rocketed up. Look at the volume in April. This thing went all the way back up to 9. Quick turnaround, found this 314 level. Then we bounced up to, 650. So 650 is a big line on this. You can see the drop September. We came all the way back down to about 175. So it looks like good support here, you can see. After that, it just kept grinding. It's a grinder. 250. Nice little pullback. Kept going. Volume's not huge. You can see it a little bit increased, though. It's increasing today. And, today's a nice uptrend. 340. Nothing huge. But, this is telling the picture here. I'm not sure if there's news. If there's news, write it in my video after this. So we can see here, touches here, cluster here. So where's the next move? We're going up. Channel down, bounce, bounce. Now, if this pulls back 275, you don't really want it to go too much below that. 250 is possible, but it could pull back and do a move like that. See these candles? I mean, they are pretty low float. Anything could happen. Now, if this comes up, see this, the U shape again, the cup and handle. Here's 1, 2, cup and handles, 5 moves. 3, there it is. There's your handle. 4 and 5 taking off. So I could easily see this 650. I'm not sure to just go straight up from here, but I'm looking for that as my target zone, and then we'll see what happens around there. In between, you can have back and forth. Doesn't mean it's going to go out like this every day, but this is a strong move on AKER. Look for news, right? If there's news on that. CTRM, shipping. Talked about this before. Shipping's been on fire. 130 million float, higher float. So, this has been moving. We talked about this when it was down here. See this move, another U shape. The scariest thing with all these stocks doing is, like, how long is this going to last? They're just going to keep going a few more months? Is it going to be a big pullback? Something happens in the market? I'm not sure at this point. Nothing lasts, we know that, but you can see this 20 cents, 40 cents, 70, and look at the gaps now. I mean, you're getting heavy volume here, over 70, 80, over the 1 zone. Yeah, if this pulls back, trying to see a line here. I think, had it at 75. So 75 cents. Just see how far away your 1320 MA. Look at this. You could come all the way back here. Even at 65 doesn't mean the move's over. You're just so far extended right now. The rally's so huge. We need a pullback. We need a cooling off, but it's not happening. So after this 125, right here is a big candle here. There's nothing back here that's any significance. The next thing I see is just line to line, 150, 175, all the way up to this 250, the 4 zone. Eventually we'll see on this. Just watch your pullbacks and stops on this. If you're day trading it, in and out, it's been pretty solid. And, that's it on that right now. So another strong move. DRXC, let's take a look at this. 97 million float, big market cap, 571 million. Medical device sale, medical device robot. Hold on. Medical device company engages in research, development, and sale of medical device robotics to enhance minimally invasive surgery. So that's pretty good. So the move on this was a clear wedge here. See this? See the wedge on this? Look how wide to tight. But this thing, again, this is where it didn't work. Sometimes it don't work. This is a great example. You have a falling wedge. Like, yeah, I'm going in. I'm going in long, maybe like right around here because it's the bottom of the wedge, but it didn't work. It faded down, reverse split. It tried to come up, didn't happen. So you just can't go blindly in something. You need to break the pattern, the trend line. Just didn't. I mean, it went out of it, but that doesn't mean you go in. And then this thing faded, then it gapped down to where's this at? You know, 20, 30 cents. No man's land. Then this thing sitting, you're probably going to sit on it a year then if you had it here. So you don't want to do that. And then we came back and forth. The highs were getting lower, lows were squeezing. Look at the volume again, heavy volume. Yeah, these stocks are incredible right now. 50 cents, dollar, $4 came back. Look at the last 4 days, gap, gap. This could pull all the way back to 325 and still be along. You know, where's this going to go on this now? Unbelievable. You know, you're at 621. There's nothing back here. There's nothing. Look at the volume back here. It's not like, you know, it's just going right now. There's nothing to stop it. There's nothing of significance. You have 6. Look for this line. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is a very significant number. Just take it line to line each day. That's all you can do on this. So that's how it's playing out. Incredible volume. Look at the liquidity. It's way oversold here, 92. You know, all these are just running so hot. I don't know what to say on a lot of these. You just don't jump in. I mean, if you're day trading, it's awesome. Like swing trading, you got to keep your stops light. They can put in a hammer like this one day and just you go all the way down. But seeing this was pretty good pre-market. You know, once you get over 5, made the move to 550. But see, it put a fake out move here. It shook out all along on this candle. That little move there came to today's open, then they took it off. See, anything's possible. That sucks when they do that. It's a weird move. You don't see that often. You usually see this as in line. You might see a little move down, but sometimes things happen. You can't, explain that move. That's an odd move. All right, so TRXC completely on fire. Just keep your stops tight if you're trading it or swing trading it. Know your levels in that. So unbelievable. All right, please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank98. TikTok, Mike Frank II. Twitter, Mike J Trades. And YouTube, smash the like button, subscribe. Helping the algos, able to put these videos out. Growing pretty fast at this point. Putting out these levels, buy, sell levels. No one's doing this. No one knows what small caps can do. They don't even understand the moves. They don't understand EMAs. A lot of them, they don't really understand, the overall picture of the market, what you're trading, why you're trading it. So I'm trying to give you all this information. That is it. Peace.